All right, we all know that at the end of every year, at the beginning of new year, we always have men of God in Nigerian giving prophecy, and in some cases, it results to controversy. In some cases, it results to argument and basboza. But this year, few of them caught my attention, and people are sharing it. Let's go through it and see what the prophet is all about. I just picked the one that has to do with our people and what we actually, waiting and looking for. Pay close attention, but before then, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'm not going to say much. I want you to hear things for yourself, because sometimes uh, some people will agree, some people will say, no, don't play this kind of thing here. But listen, we must pay close attention to understand what it is all about. Then you have right to argue, you have right to believe or disagree, but the choice is yours at the end of the day. But you need to understand what the video is all about before you cannot judge, right? So let's go there. Listen.
My people, it don't happen again. My people, it don't happen again. Unless say you don't live for this country, we in Nigeria. And you say you skip this thing. But try and say you stay for Nigeria. I want people to listen to what this prophet stop saying it will happen this 2026.
Now listen.
It just said the Lord sure about
let me just skip the video. I don't want to just pay attention. Listen from here.
I want to understand that this very prophecy, as God has given to us, doesn't mean that there is something special, but we are privileged to tap and to receive His word. By the grace of God, I saw so many things that will take place. Number one, in this month of January, as I repeat, I said, if God give us the grace to survive 17, 18, 19, and 20th of January, to Him alone be all the glory, because a lot of demonstration will take place. By the grace of God, I never knew or saw the governor when I mentioned the president. When I said this, I said the president travel, and which you have just heard, he has traveled for vacation to cross over in another country, Abu Dhabi or whatsoever. I said this before this trip. I saw a lot of things. I saw a lot of power. I saw power tussles. Amen. I asked myself when God was showing me this, I said, God, why is this happening to us? God told me, Nigerian leaders are very, very sick. And He is about to send a young boy to take over the rulership of Nigeria. This young man God is about sending is not being known. It's not someone you know. It's not someone you know. He's all brought from outside country. And I see him coming down, and I see him with authority, and I see him holding all the political power, chilling them, when I mean massacring them and praising some of them. Write this down. If it does not happen, I am not called. That is one. The oil resources in Imo State will be sold to foreigner. I saw it by the present administration, leading to slavery of the states. Leading to slavery of the state. Now, other states that have similar oil resources shall not be spared. This will lead to serious division. Because the present oil that we're talking, oil, I saw an earthquake happen in South, and which caused a lot of havoc. That place we were putting hope of oil cooled down. And I saw Imo. People wanted to go now to take over Imo State, and I saw Imo was sold. I saw it. Write this down. A former president's wife will be arrested by EFCC. I saw in history her coming, marrying, because husband dead, let me marry, and in that marry, I see the siblings saying, you know the secret about death of this, our brother, there's a money, there's a money, there's a money. I saw it. Number 4, a new political party will emerge that will lead to power tussle. That will bring about new separation. This very one-party system, no. There's a new party, and that new party will be brought by that small boy I'm talking about, very young boy. And I saw a lot of power tussle. a lot of power tussle. I see fuel coming to an all-time low price, and Matthew's dollar will crash. I saw it.
Okay.
Dollar will crash. Coming to the lowest.
If all this did not come through, because I am recording this video for a reason. We are going to examine it later to know what he said and the one that later happened. So I just hope he will make that the prophecy will come the way he putting it out there. Listen.
Lowest. A new military outfit will be created, leading to no relevance or disbandment of the current one. The old militaries that have retired will be employed.
Okay.
And I see a seat of power. And I see a new name given to them. And the old one now raised an all-time low price. And Matthew's dollar will crash. I saw it. Dollar will crash. Coming to the lowest. A new military outfit will be created, leading to no relevance or disbandment of the current one. The old militaries that have retired will be employed. And I see a seat of power. And I see a new name given to them. And the old one now raise an alarm. And I see power tussle. That was what brought a coup.
Okay.
I saw it. I saw state police. That one was approved. I saw it clear.
Honestly, I don't know why. I don't know why some of our people, even both Igbo and non-Igbos, are misbehaving. So you actually believe that Fulani will allow you to have state police, so that you will stop their boys from taking over your land. Just the dream. Anyway, let's watch and see, because I know where the whole thing will end. All these things, I don't believe it, and I think you yourself, you don't believe it either.
First off, we crash in price. There will be too much flood in 2026, and rainfall will start early. Don't be shocked January you say rain. Oh. Early. People will say, but if it's that early, farm will not go. No, don't guess it. God has the way he did it. I saw it. There will be serious earthquake, which I told you, in one of the south states. I won't call the particular states for security reasons. I saw it. Igbos will suffer great resentment and loss of their investment in Lagos State. I've said this before. I'm the first to say this in 2012. When there was no sign, I said, see demolition of the houses. People say, hey, today it's not happening. But this one, sir, a lot. This one, the Igbo has a lot to lose. I saw it. They said it with their mouth. I told you it's better you remain in north or you remain in south than in west. I'm on air and I will say it. I will say it without fear. The west hate you with passion. I'm not saying for this, I will tell you what the mind of God is. They hate you, but you love the west and you hate the north. That's the truth. The easterners hate. I'm not saying for this, I will tell you what the mind of God is. They hate you, but you love the west and you hate the north. That's the truth. The easterners hate the north, but they love the west. But the west hate you. Pay attention. The new tax reform will lead to high exchange of tax. Yes, they will bless it. It will start commencing. But labor will raise a lot of demonstration, which will pull it down. I saw it. It was passed to law, but it did not stand. If I be a prophet, take this word. I saw it. so don't panic. Nigeria should invest 75% in property and 25% in cash. 25% in property and 25% in cash with banks, as excessive tax will be much. Many banks will merge in order to meet new CBM requirements. People will lose their money in banks because a lot of, they will say, bring this code, bring that code. It doesn't tarry. Where I saw people running there, and I saw many money. They say there is a fail in network, and I saw money issue. I saw it clear. I saw it clear. Even the almighty bank that I bank, I say it match with a bank. I won't call. Chinese will introduce a new bank because of what will take place. The Chinese will introduce a new bank that will give people low interest rates on their money, on their money, right? With the bank. Suddenly, the bank will fold away with your money.
But I have issue with what he said. Let's just imagine something. There will be earthquake in South, and there will be issue with oils. Those states that have oil, that oil in Igbo will be sold out to foreigners and all that. And there will be problem politically this coming year, or this new year. They will have all this issue, then dollar will now crash, meaning Naira will now have more value. How? I don't understand. How? With all this problem that he mentioned, even the earthquake and everything, yet the economy will be okay. Okay, let's wait, because nothing is impossible. Let's watch.
I saw it. You say Chinese, Nigerians don't know Yahoo like Chinese.
Okay, so remember that Chinese will introduce new bank because of the problem with the banking system, and in the midst of all that, dollar will crash, Nigerian naira will go up, and people that are banking in the bank will not have issue because some bank will want to start merging to another, and they will say network failure, and therefore people's money will vanish. Yet dollar will crash. Okay, this new system of economy is beyond my comprehension. Maybe I don't know. What do I know? Listen.
This is what God told me. There will be serious, 15 now, there will be serious disputes between Dangote and Nigeria Oil. I wrote this since 5 months ago. It has started.
Okay.
There will be serious dispute between Dangote and Nigeria Oil markets. That if care is not taken, it will lead to death.
And let me say, he made this prophecy, this New Year message before what happened yesterday happened in Venezuela. Because people don't understand that this thing that happened in Venezuela, if it stands, which likely it will, then America will control that oil reserve and everything, and the company will start. It's going to make the dollar to gain more strength and power. And America is going to start predicting the price. The people running away from using oil in transacting when they want to buy oil, because that's been an issue. Which currency to use? BRICS are trying to run away from dollar. Nigerians are trying to run away from it as well, because all these Arab countries that are promoting one or two things, crazy things going on around the world, they are trying to crash American economy indirectly. That's why America is fighting those things. People don't understand that the fight that Donald Trump is fighting is not just because of oil, but also American economy, and to make sure that dollar remains the only powerful currency for transaction globally, because BRICS have been fighting on making sure that dollar is out of market. But with what happened yesterday, there's a very huge turning point to that angle. But let's see how the whole thing will work. I'm just saying it because of dollar is gonna crash and all that. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm not praying for that, but I'm not God. Anything is possible. Just watch.
The power to say much. 16. There will be fire disaster in marketplaces.
Okay.
And companies.
In Nigeria, and the economy will be very good. Okay.
I said this long ago. I've been telling you 3 months ago. There will be fire disaster in marketplaces and companies. Business people in Bukuru here should be careful to avoid fire outbreak. I saw the government. I don't know what I saw here. I saw it clearly. I don't know. I saw the Christians having a group of a place to sell. A Muslim have a group of place to sell. And I saw the Christian building a new place. And I saw, be careful. Number 17. Another incurable disease will manifest through the air. Worse than COVID. That one is August. Incurable disease.
Did he say August?
Stand on your feet.
Wait.
Another incurable disease will manifest through the air.
Okay.
Worse than COVID.
God forbid.
That one is August.
Incurable
disease.
Incurable disease.
Stand on your feet.
God forbid. So this is the message that he delivered to his congregation. And we're going to move to another one that this one sweet me, and I believe it's going to sweet you. It has been trending. Just listen.
Me that the Igbos are going to be one of the.
Start from beginning.
That the Igbos are going to be one of the.
Is it the beginning?
President from different parts of the world. The Lord said to me that the Igbos are going to be one of the richest nations in the world. Those of you who are saying that Biafra will never call, I'm sorry to announce to you that Biafra has already called. I am not an Igbo man. This is a revelation. I saw it very clear. Every Igbo person, anywhere you are, return back to your land. God bless you. Elijah Abamidele Lokolo is my name. I want to wish you all Happy New Year, wherever you are all over the world. This is a revelation to the Igbo people. I am not going to force you to believe me. I am not going to force you to accept this revelation. Anywhere you are, all over the world. The Lord said I should announce to all the Igbos, wherever you are in Nigeria, any state, any village you are, God said I should tell all of you to return back home. I saw an earthquake. I saw a dangerous earthquake. And the Lord said, tell all the Igbos to return back to the...
Did he mention earthquake like the other guy? Or he's just saying that maybe... Let me hear that.
I saw an earthquake. I saw a dangerous earthquake. And the Lord said, tell all the Igbos to return back to their land. To return back to their land. Why? Because I saw nations, countries all over the world, fighting to enter Igbo land. I did not know what happened. There is a treasure that is about to be discovered in Igbo land. There is a treasure, a milk like honey that is about to be discovered in Igbo land that will attract presidents from different parts of the world. The Lord said to me that the Igbos are going to be one of the richest nations in the world. Those of you who are saying that Biafra will never call, I'm sorry to announce to you that Biafra has already called. I am not an Igbo man. This is a revelation. I saw it very clear. Every Igbo person, anywhere you are, return back to your land. A treasure is about to be discovered. A treasure is about to be discovered. A treasure that will attract international community is about to be discovered in Igbo land. Mr. President, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Lord said you should do what you are already planning to do by releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because I saw him coming out and I saw this treasure attracting nations of the earth all over the world. And God said that I should tell Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. Yes, you will be forced. You will be forced to release him. And to all the people who are fighting against the release of Biafra, I am here to announce to you that Biafra nation has already come. I am just a prophet. I see, I tell you. You believe, you don't believe, you don't concern me. My own is to tell you what I saw. Igbo nation is going to be one of the richest nations in the world. And it's going to happen starting from this year. This is what God said I should tell all the Igbo people. I am not a Biafra man. I'm a Nigerian. I'm from Edo State. Auchi, who sat Igbo. That is where I came from. I am not an Igbo man. I am only speaking as a prophet. I am only speaking as a prophet. Anywhere you are over the world, Igbo people, I say congratulations to you, because very soon nations are coming to that land to seek for help. I don't know what this means. This is what I saw in my revelation. May the Lord bless you.
All right. Thank you so much for listening. And I want you to tell me what you think about all this prophecy, all these messages. Don't tell me, oh, Mazika, I don't believe this. These are fake, fake, fake. If you tell me they are fake, please show me the one that is real. Yeah, don't just tell me fake. Mention also the real prophet, so we can know the trend. I'm not telling you that you should not, you should believe everything or anything. Just genuinely tell me what you think. Okay, don't mind me. Tell me what you think about it, and make sure you like the video, share it to many platforms of your choice. See you again. Good day to you. Bye bye for now.